Unlike the other videos in this course, this particular PowerPoint video is really just a synopsis of Lecture 1 on communication systems that you find in Module 1. Therefore, because it's basically an outline of that chapter, I'm not going to narrate it beyond this particular slide. It will help you to see what the overall structure and the high points as you prepare for the test for this module, but in many cases it will only sort of help you to get a grasp on the overall what's going on. You'll still need to go read the chapter and take notes with it, but this will kind of be a guide to it. So this is the only one I do this for because it's particularly long. I also do it later in this semester for the persuasion. There's a long chapter on persuasion, but I found that most people weren't reading it, so I did a PowerPoint about it. In both cases, you would be better off to read the chapters, though. So that's all I'm going to say about this particular one. You can read the rest of it in conjunction with the chapter. Thank you.